Over time, from being an unknown individual who humbly claims to be learning according to the Buddhist teachings and walking barefoot from south to north and north to south, Thich Minh Thu has been turned into a social media phenomenon by YouTubers, TikTokers, and Facebookers. In reality, Thich Minh Thu has not done anything exceptionally unusual. He is simply self-cultivating through the practice of Dhutanga austerity. Many practitioners are also engaging in Dhutanga, which involves wearing patched robes, begging for alms, eating one meal a day, sleeping under trees. According to research, Thich Minh Thu has been practicing Dhutanga for 6 years and has walked from south to north and back 4 times. His previous barefoot journeys across Vietnam did not attract any significant attention. This time, Thich Minh Thu himself stated that he did not actively seek public attention. However, he has unexpectedly gained fame in front of cameras, with YouTubers, TikTokers, and Facebookers closely following his footsteps in recent days.